Okay, so now we're going to get started with our iVario Pro 2S model. So this is our twin pan 25 litre. Now, we're going to be cooking a dish today in both sides of that pan. In one side, we're going to be starting the stir fry, and in the other side, we're going to be boiling our noodles that we need. So Joseph, let's get started with our iVario Pro. So to get the cooking process started, we're going to utilise our iCookingSuite. This is our intelligent cooking paths, where we can simply, on the right-hand side, select that we're going to be doing stir frying and choose our ideal coloration that we would like. And then on the left-hand side, we simply select that we're going to be doing boiling pasta or noodles in this case. And we choose our desired time. In this case, it might only be 3 minutes, and then we're ready to start cooking. Okay, so we can see over on our pan, it's automatically filling with the water. Okay, so our Vario dose precisely fills the water to the required amount. Because we're going to be using our basket to boil the noodles, the water will fill precisely to the amount we need, but it's also adjustable to every single litre that you require. So Joseph, is that our pan ready to start cooking? Yep, cool. So our right-hand side's ready, so around 90 seconds and we're ready to start cooking. So in this case, we're going to start with our chicken in the right-hand side. Now, traditionally when you're making stir fries, it's okay if you've got one portion, right? Where we're just doing maybe in a wok or a frying pan and you've just got a small amount. But in this case, when we have a large amount and we want to be doing a bulk amount, you can't use a frying pan or a wok or even a brat pan, right? Because as we load this bulk amount, traditionally we're going to lose a lot of the heat and we don't get the colour and flavour that we need from traditional stir frying. So we'll see as Joseph gets started on the side. We silence the alarm. Just turn the dial. Select the right-hand pan. Yep. Cool. So as we can see on the right-hand side, we're searing the chicken now, and we've got that great power and we're not losing any juices. We're going to come back to you shortly when we're ready to finish the stir fry. Okay, so our chicken now is continuing to sear. It's almost ready. We're going to start adding a few other things, some chili, garlic, ginger, some Chinese sausage in there as well. We're going to stir in those items and let that continue stir frying. And then on the left-hand side, we can see now our water's come to the boil. So with the iVario Pro and a 2S this size, we see that water come to the boil in around 6 to 7 minutes. So compared to traditional cooking, it certainly is a lot faster. A traditional large pot, you could be waiting 30 or 40 minutes. Okay, so Joseph, we might load the noodles in, pop our veg in, and then we're ready to go. You'll notice that Joseph is loading in our arm for the automatic lowering and raising of the noodles. So as soon as we confirm with the iVario Pro that we've loaded the noodles, you'll see them automatically lower down into the water. Okay, this means at the end of the process, they're going to automatically lower up and we get consistent results no matter who's doing the cooking. Okay, so we're going to let those noodles cook. Our chicken is almost ready and we're going to come back once the noodles are finished so that we can finish this dish off. Okay, so we're just about ready to put the final touches on our stir fry now. So keep in mind, with our iVario Pro, we have the auto lift, so now we can see our noodles are precisely cooked, so they're not overcooked, not undercooked, they're the perfect temperature that we want every single time. Joseph's now able to take those noodles, pop them into our stir fry, and now we have a complete dish. So with this dish, from start to finish, we're looking at a time of less than 15 minutes. Now, the iCookingSuite and iVario Pro guided us through the whole process. That means it's easy for your staff to use, no matter the skill level, okay? You're able to get beautiful dishes like these. So Joseph, let's take one portion, we'll serve it up and see how it tastes.
Absolutely.
Cool. So here you've seen with the iVario Pro 2S how we can use both pans at the same time to create a really great dish. This gives us ultimate kind of flexibility in the kitchen in what we're able to do, cooking different items together at the same time. Cool. All right. Give a little garnish and then we're done. So there you have it, guys. So we've got a lovely stir fry in less than 15 minutes. Must be time to eat, Joseph.
I'm hungry. Looks delicious.